Sanbanani guys, welcome back to get another video. Listen, this week guys, the Gumetes aren't taking any nonsense. We see one of the things we can expect in this week, on Umkhokha the Curse, is when uMamZobe meets up with uMakalwazi, guys, uMakalwazi ukhohlakele. But listen, I am not surprised because guys, sijwayele lento. Not most, but in some part of this world is South Africa, we used to the fact that some mothers they will secure their sons' futures by telling their sons to deny the children. So anyway, uMamZobe meets up no Makalwazi estradeni or endleleni, guys, and she says to uMakalwazi, lalela, indodana yakho yenze elikhulu iphutha, usazoba manzi phansi. Listen, mina-ke ngithi whoever has isikhwama sikaMamZobe ngicela bamnikeze sona, because at this point whatever uMamZobe does to them Tiyane family, guys, I 100% support it. Because imagine, we see another scene or another thing we can expect to see is uKhabisile. I don't know if Khabisile visits uLwazi or uLwazi visits uKhabisile, but listen, uKhabisile is mad, guys. She takes izitsha azilahlele phansi and says to him, ucabanga ukuthi like uzongishiya nje kanjalo, or you're going to do whatever you want to do. I'm like, imagine that time. Aibo uLwazi's family, guys, they want to marry off uLwazi, or they want uLwazi to marry another girl. When uMamZobe hears that, she's like, asoze kaloku. She takes ingane yakhe, she takes uKhabisile, and she takes ingane kwaMthiyane. She's like, nginilethela umakoti wenu. I'm like, exactly. She tells uKhabisile, sozohlala lana. Cabanga, guys, uma wakhona-ke uMakalwazi, she heard ukuthi uKhabisile is pregnant. She wants to secure her son, and she wants the son to get married to someone else. Hayibo, ukhohlakala obungaka. Anyway, guys, hayibo, this week, I'm here for uMamZobe. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like this video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.